In this video, you'll learn how to buy Tether on the KuCoin exchange. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the platform and complete your purchase of this cryptocurrency. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the KuCoin website. Ensure you're on the correct site by looking for the official KuCoin logo displayed prominently on the home page. Once you arrive at the site, familiarize yourself with the layouts to make the process smoother. Next, locate the option labeled Buy Crypto on the top navigation bar. Clicking this button will direct you to a new interface where various purchasing options are available. This section may take a moment to load, so be patient as the information populates. After that, you should see a message indicating that you can buy crypto instantly using different payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, or bank transfers. This information serves as a confirmation that you are in the right section for purchasing cryptocurrencies. Once this appears, look for the button that says Trade Now and click on it. This action will take you to the trading interface where you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Be aware that loading times may vary based on your internet speed, so allow the page to fully load before proceeding. You will then see a prompt stating buy and sell crypto instantly. Click on the buy button to initiate the purchasing process. This step confirms your intent to proceed with buying cryptocurrency, and you should see a new window appear for further options. Next, select USD as your currency for purchasing Tether. This ensures that you are using the correct currency for the transaction. Confirm that the selection appears correctly before moving to the next step. Type in the amount of Tether you want to purchase. Make sure to double check the amount you enter, as incorrect figures could lead to unexpected results. Take a moment to verify your entry before continuing. After entering the amount, click on the crypto button to specify which cryptocurrency you wish to buy. This action will allow you to choose Tether from the available options. Ensure that the selection accurately reflects your intended purchase. Now, click on the search bar and type in USDT to locate Tether. This step will filter the results to help you find the specific cryptocurrency more easily. Wait a moment for the results to populate and then continue. Click on USDT once it appears in the search results. This action confirms your selection of Tether as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Make sure the correct currency is highlighted before proceeding. Next, click on Pay With to choose your payment method. This will display a list of available payment options. Review the options presented to ensure you select the one that best suits your needs. Select Google Pay as your payment method. This selection will allow you to complete the purchase using your Google Pay account. Ensure that you have the necessary account set up to avoid any interruptions during the transaction. Click on the Buy USDT button to initiate the purchase. This action will lead you to a confirmation screen where you can review the details of your transaction. Take a moment to ensure all information is correct. On the confirmation page, click on You're paying to view the payment details. This will provide you with a summary of the amount you are spending and the Tether you will receive in return. Next, click on Discount to check for any applicable discounts on the transaction. This information could affect the final amount you will pay, so be sure to review it carefully. Click on Pay With again to confirm your payment method selection. This will ensure that you are proceeding with the correct method for this transaction. Now click on USDT price to see the current market price for Tether. This information is vital for understanding the value of your purchase and will help you make informed decisions. Click on Fee to review any transaction fees associated with the purchase. Understanding these fees is important as they can impact the total cost of your transaction. Next, click on You Receive Estimated to view the estimated amount of Tether you will receive after the purchase. This will give you a clear idea of what to expect from the transaction. A message will appear stating that by proceeding, you confirm your agreement to the terms of use and authorize the platform to process the transaction. Take a moment to read this message carefully. Click on Pay to finalize your purchase. This action will process your order and initiate the transfer of Tether to your account. Be prepared for a brief loading period as the transaction is completed. If you would like to buy Tether on KuCoin yourself, I placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This will guide you directly to the appropriate page. Please consider subscribing to stay updated with future tutorials and guides. Your support helps in creating more informative content.